Assalamualaikum and good morning. So my name is Muhammad Ashraff Abdul Aziz bin Ishab. My metric number is 211220577. So I'm from class 21C. So today I would like to share about introduction of climate change on the economy. So what is economy? An economy is an area of the production, distribution and trade, as well as consumption of goods and service by different agents. In general, it is defined as a social domain that emphasizes the practice, discourse, and material expression associated with the production, use, and management of resource. So, what is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. However, human activity have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to burning of fossil fuel like coal, oil, and gas, which produce heat trapping and gas.
Hi, I'm Nurul binti Muhammad Amali, metric number 211220641. So I want to discuss about issue of my group topic. First issue is flood. An overflow of water onto normally dry land. The inundation of a normally dry area caused by rising water in an existing waterway, such a river, stream, or drainage ditch. Ponding of water at or near the point where the rainfall flooding is a longer term event than flash flooding. It may last days or weeks. Next, impact of floods. Floods have large social consequences for communities and individuals. As most people are well aware, the immediate impact of flooding include loss of human life, damage to property, destruction of crops, loss of livestock, and others. Next issue is flash flood. A flood caused by heavy or excessive rainfall in a short period of time, generally less than 6 hours. Flash floods are usually characterized by raging torrents after heavy rains that rip through riverbanks, urban streets, or mountain canyons, sweeping everything before them. They can occur within minutes or a few hours of excessive rainfall. Next, impact of flash flood. Large debris and flux water can cause structural damage to bridge and roadway and making travel impossible. Power, telephone, and cable line can be taken out by flash flood as well. Flood water can disrupt or contaminate groundwater, making tap water unfit for consumption. That's all from me.
Hello, my name is Siti Shuadah binti Zainal and my metric number is 211220671. I introduce about the drought. Drought is a time when the region's water supply is insufficient. Drought is a common climatic feature that occur from time to time in all weather zones. Causes of the drought. Global warming. The phenomenon of the rising average air temperature near the Earth's surface over the last country. When the CO2 and other air pollution accumulate in the atmosphere, they absorb sunlight and solar radiation reflected from the Earth's surface. And for the last of the causes of the drought is the deforestation. Deforestation is the occur when the forest logging activities are carried out for the agriculture and development purpose, such as settlement and dam constructions. Trees help to keep the Earth's temperature stable by absorbing carbon dioxide gas in the air and produce the oxygen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairul Syaffik bin Bakar, number metric 211222364. For the next part, I will talk about the suggestion and discussion about the flooding. Firstly, flooding areas affecting individual and environment, which have social, economic, and environmental effect. Next, as a solution, individual effort are more effective than collective effort in terms of local, state, and federal level. Then, keeping the home safety is one of the solution in avoid the flooding, especially by cost, effort, and time to set up are very important. After that, community priorities are investing in engineering and insurance are also the main factor that can help to reduce the risk of flooding. And for the last part, the final solution is by improving the device that can give the warning to the people, and by restore the drain to make sure the way of the drain can running smoothly. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nasrullah bin Azizi from class 21C. The first way to overcome drought is by rainwater harvesting. Rainfall harvesting provides an efficient way for both urban and rural regions to retain rainwater and utilize it during times of drought. If a home has a primary water source, rainwater gathering gives an additional alternative for when water is not available. The second solution is by harvesting water from the air. We could harvest water from the air if we could create an effective way to collect and condense that moisture. And lastly, the third solution to overcome drought problem is by desalination of water. The water must first be boiled, transformed to steam, and then condensed.
Officer, it's me Deepesvaran A Subramaniam, matrix number 211220512. Today I am gonna present about our group assignment. Finally, we came to the last part, which is conclusion. In conclusion, the economic consequences of climate change differ by region and are difficult to predict. Climate change has a negative impact on a country's economy and ability to thrive. Leaders should take precaution and to generate that such a negative outcome does not arise in our country. We hope that society and government are concerned about our country's economic growth and environmental conservation.